Hello, my name is Charlie from Flying Rock Cleaning Services. A couple of months ago I attended on one of the courses of Eileen to learn how to make a professional video for my business with my iPhone. Honestly, my skills to phones and computers are really poor, so Eileen had to show me from the very beginning even how to set up the phone to make a professional video. Before you start making your own video, first you always have to make sure the phone is ready for action. I do believe that a before-after video is one of the best tools to promote your business to your clients. You can post these videos on any social media platform such as Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram. Thanks to Eileen, my videos on my Facebook page and on my website are much more successful and they definitely look much better. So I would highly recommend Eileen and her services to anyone who basically wants to earn more money. That was Charlie from Flying Rock Cleaning Services. Thank you.